Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's fast-paced driving environment, ensuring safety and capturing every moment on the road is more important than ever. A reliable rearview dash cam not only provides clear visibility behind your vehicle but also records crucial footage that can be invaluable in unexpected situations. In this video, we're exploring the 5 best rearview dash cams available right now. We've selected models that offer exceptional video quality, user-friendly features, and great value, catering to a range of needs and budgets. Check the description for updated links, prices, and more details. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Autovox V5 Pro Rear View Camera. The Autovox Dual 1080p rear view mirror camera enhances driving safety with its 9.35-inch Full HD touchscreen display, delivering a wider, clearer rear view than traditional mirrors. Featuring both front and rear 1080p dash cams with Sony IMX307 sensors and WDR technology, it ensures crystal clear video day or night, minimizing glare and overexposure. Designed for a seamless OEM look, the anti-vibration bracket mount replaces your factory mirror without straps. It supports parking monitoring with smart battery protection, connecting directly to the car's fuse box. Additional features include GPS tracking, loop recording, and a glare-free laminated screen, ideal for secure, all-around driving protection. Number 4. Pelsi P12 Pro Rear View Camera. The Pelsi Mirror Dash Cam is your ultimate driving safety companion. Featuring advanced ADAS collision avoidance technology, it alerts you to nearby obstacles with 5 key warnings, including forward collision and lane departure. Its blind spot detection keeps you safe when changing lanes or reversing. Capture every detail with a 4K Ultra HD dual camera and WDR technology that reduces glare. Voice control lets you operate hands-free with 9 commands. Equipped with GPS tracking, a 32GB TF card, and 24-hour parking monitoring, it records continuously and locks footage during collisions. Stay protected and drive confidently with the Pelsi Mirror Dash Cam. Number 3. VMint 4K Rear View Camera. The VMint VT10 Mirror Dash Cam offers an immersive driving experience with 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, ensuring crystal clear footage day and night thanks to its f1.8 aperture and super night vision. The expansive 10-inch HD touchscreen allows effortless control with intuitive gestures, while voice commands enable hands-free operation for locking videos and snapping photos. Featuring wide-angle lenses and automatic reverse assist, it eliminates blind spots and enhances safety. The built-in parking monitor and G-sensor provide 24/7 protection, detecting collisions and locking crucial footage to keep your vehicle and evidence safe at all times. Number 2. Wolfbox 12-foot Rear View Camera. The Wolfbox G840H Mirror Dash Cam features a large 11.8-inch screen and powerful processor, delivering front camera footage in 2.5K resolution and rear in 1080p without overheating. Its advanced QVBR encoding saves storage by 30% while maintaining image quality. The ultra-transparent optical glass mirror reduces glare for clearer viewing. Equipped with f/1.55 and f/1.8 large apertures, WDR, and 3D denoising technology, it captures bright, detailed images in various lighting, including tunnels and nighttime. The package includes a 32GB memory card and GPS module, recording your driving speed, location, and direction for reliable evidence in case of accidents. And topping our list at number 1 is the Pelsi P12 Plus 4K Rear View Camera. The Pelsi P12 Plus is a 12-inch 4K Ultra HD mirror dash cam designed for minivans, cars, trucks, and RVs. It offers crisp front 4K and rear 1080p video with WR and an f1.5 aperture for clear night recordings. Equipped with ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly download and share footage via the Pelsi app. Advanced ADAS and blind spot detection, BSD, alert you to lane departures, collisions, and hidden vehicles for safer driving. The built-in GPS tracks routes, speed, and location. It comes with a 64GB memory card and features a full touchscreen with parking assist for easy control and enhanced safety. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.